Scenic helicopter tours. Let's see. Let's see him jump on this helicopter, see what's going on. $9 and up. Alright. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Jet boat adventure. Fly Scenic. Yeah, we're gonna try this helicopter out. See what I can see. See what I can do. See what's really going on up here. What's really going on up here? What's really going on up here? Copter cafe, restroom, little pamphlet area, helicopter area. Yeah, we can see what's really going on. Should be the helicopter fuel area. Okay. Let's see what's really going on. They go right there. They go right there. They go right there. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, that's him landing. Man, that thing sweet too. Landing right on the spot too.